Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course you will have to sign in, and after that just tap on this circle which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps and games which are currently installed. And if you'd like to check the updates available for them, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of them. And basically all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you'd like to add and mark it. Just like Google one, for example, or Google Maps. That was a misclick, just mark it. And basically after that, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and actually automatically applied, so you do not really need to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.